हेलो, आज फिर से हम आपके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं यूजीसी सीएसआर नेट जून 2016। आज हम आगे के कुछ क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। लेट curly bracket a1 up to so on an curly bracket complete and b1 up to so on bn curly bracket is complete be the two bases of r to the power n. Let p be an n by n matrix with real integers such that p ai equals to b I varies from 1 to up to so on n. Suppose that every eigenvalue of p is either a -1 or 1. मतलब एक नेगेटिव वैल्यू और 1 पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. Let q equals to 1 plus twice p. Then which of the following statement are true? इसमें से हमने जानना है कि ट्रू स्टेटमेंट कौन से है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. Curly bracket ai plus twice bi such that I varies from 1 to n is also a base of V. Second statement B, Q is invertible is the correct option. C is the correct option and also D is correct option. Next question. Let T be a n by n matrix with the property t to the power n equals to 0. Which of the following statement is a true? फिर से अगेन हमें देखना है इन फोर में से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है और right answer is C. 0 is an eigenvalue of t. 0 is an eigenvalue of t. Next question. Let A be an n by n matrix with real integer defined x, y. A equals to A of x, ASY. XY belongs to R to the power n. Then XY defined an inner product if and only if. Inner product if and only if. और सही ऑप्शन है A and B. A and B is the correct option. Suppose curly bracket V1 up to so on Vn are unit vector in R to the power n such that norm of V square equals to summation I varies from 1 to n mod of Vi V whole square for all V belongs to R to the power n. Then decide the correct statement is the following. The correct answer A and B the right answer. Next, let V equals to curly bracket f from 0, 1 tends to R such that f is a polynomial of degree less than or equals to n. Let fj of x equals to x to the power j from 0 less than equals to j less than equals to n, and let a be the n plus 1 multiply n plus 1 matrix given by aij equals to integration 0 to 1 fi of x fj of x dx. Then which of the following is true? और सही ऑप्शन है B, C and D. This is the correct answer. Let f from C varies from C be an entire function. Suppose that f equals to u plus iv where u, v are the real and imaginary part of the respectively, then f constant if. And सही option is 4. A, B, C and D is the correct option. Next question. Let A equals to curly bracket z belongs to C such that mod of z greater than 1 curly bracket complete. B equals to curly bracket z belongs to C such that z not equals to 1 curly bracket complete. Which of the following statement are true? And right answer is A. There is a continuous onto function f varies from A to B, and B option is also correct. There is a continuous 1-to-1 function f from B to A, and D option is correct. There is a non-constant analytic function f from A to B. This is the correct option. Let A equals to curly bracket z equals to x plus iy belongs to C, y greater than 0 curly bracket complete. Be the upper half plane and D equals to curly bracket z belongs to C mod of z less than 1 curly bracket complete. Be the open unit disk. Suppose that f is a Bombay's transformation which map H conformly onto D. Suppose that f of twice I equals to 0. Pick each correct statement from below, and correct statement is A, B and D is a correct statement. Next question. Consider the function f of z equals to integration 1 to 1 upon x minus z to the power 2 dx. imaginary z greater than 0, then there is a meromorphic function g of z on C that with f of z when imaginary z greater than 0 such that, and correct option is C and D is the correct option. Consider the integral a equals to integration 0 to 1 x to the power n 1 minus x to the power n dx. Find each correct statement found below. The correct option is C and D. D is a correct option. Let G be a finite abelian group of order n. Find each correct statement found below. And correct statement is A and D. This is a correct statement. Consider the symmetric group S20 and its subgroup A20 consisting on all even permutation. Let H be a 7-slow subgroup of A20. Pick each correct statement from below and say option is A and D. This is the correct option. Next question. Let P be a prime. Find each correct statement from below. UP2 isometric. This is the correct option. A, B, and D is the correct option. 27. Let R be a commutative ring with unity such that R of x is a UFD. Denote the ideal of x of R of x by I. Pick each correct statement from below and say option is A, B, C and D. 4 option is correct. Next question. Consider the small topology tau or C in which all the singleton set are closed. Pick each correct statement from below and say option is C and D. Thank you so much.